Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the BFULL, the BFULL Beach Shelter. It's an extra large beach tent. It's a pop-up beach tent for sun protection. It's waterproof, it's lockable, it's for outdoor use, and it's portable pop-up tent for 2 up to 4 people. Of course, 4 people should be slender. If you are a little bit fat like me, you can handle this with 2 people, okay? It comes with the color blue, as you can see. It is an instant folding design. The frame of this beach tent is made of high elastic memory wire. And you can see here, it is easy. You throw it out and it will fold up. It will pop up. Here you can see it's in windy condition, okay? But it will work there. It will stay strong, okay? The frame comes out of the tent. It is made of high elastic memory wires. Its automatic pop-up design means we can open and unfold it in just a few seconds. No assembly required. Of course, if you have a windy condition like here on the beach today, it is more than 35 kilometers per hour, then we should support the tent a little bit. And here you can see the wind is pressing, but the BFULL tent is getting into it, and it holds in position. Yeah, it's bent a little bit, but it stands strong. The big thing is here UPF 50 plus protection. The eco-friendly silver-coated tan surface reflects and absorbs sunlight to block out the harmful UV ultraviolet rays and protect us. This tent with 50 plus UPF protection against the sun is really cool. It is therefore protect and perfect for all of our summer activities there. And with an improved stability, as you can see, it is proved on the North Sea. Really, 35 kilometers per hour. This is not last wind. And it holds in position. And it gives us a shelter on the beach, for example. The tent has 4 large sandbags, or on the side are really big sandbags, so you can push the bag full with sand, for example, or concrete, what you like. And 2 large storage pockets, which you can attach some stuff that keeps that shelter stable in the wind, okay? There are also included 10 steel ground packs and 4 durable ropes for further improved stability. And this is good if the wind is a little bit more than, I think, 10 kilometers per hour. Then you will need them because it is protected then on the ground. This beach tent stands up much better to the wind than many other brands on the market. That's right, because it's a tiny tent and the wind cannot touch it so much because of this wind slippy design. And it's waterproof and ventilated. Water-resistant polyester with taped seams keeps the interior dry. Meanwhile, a high-density mesh rear window ensures that the fresh air is able to flow through the tent without obstacles to keep the interior cool. What's more, the bottom of this tent is higher than other brands, which prevents sand and dust from getting into the tent itself. And with a compact space and portability, the tent is 190 to 165 to 130 centimeters. These are 75 to 65 to 51 inches and offers a spacious interior that can comfortably accommodate to up to 4 people. That's cool. It looks not only cool, it is really cool. And you can fold it back in position in a few seconds and then get it back into the bag. And you can handle this bag with the pop-up tent, which holds there in position. Then you can use it on the bike, for example, on your backpack. No prop for it. It is portable. This is really cool. And you will be the coolest person on the beach if you come with this shelter pop up tent here. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Really cool. It's a large beach tent. It's a pop up beach tent for sun protection. It's waterproof, it's lockable, it's for outdoor because it's portable, and the tent is for 2 up to 4 people. And it comes in the blue color, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!